Hi, thank you for supporting us for the past 10 years. We, Infinite Engineers, are stepped into our 11th year journey. As Infinite Engineers, we are expanding our boundaries and rebranded it as IE Skool. IE Skool launched a STEMFINITY contest for school children. Let us know about the robotic contest in this video. In this robotic contest, we are using the BBC microbit controller board to solve the real-time problem based on our sustainable development goals. In this robotic contest, we don't need any physical components. Once registered, you will attend the orientation program to know more about microbit. After attending this orientation program, you will select a problem statement from the sustainable development goals and how you will be going to solve that problem using this BBC microbit. Finally, you curate your idea in a chart or paper and explain it in a video. The last day to apply this contest is 8 October 2023. Thank you. See you all in the contest. Bye bye.